Hello friends! Today I will share with you the COCO technique, which is the fastest and most effective way to learn a foreign language. This technique is a strategy you can use to speed up your language learning process and learn a new language more efficiently. COCO technique stands for Talk to Yourself. This method facilitates language learning, with a particular focus on speaking and the practical application of language. So, how does the COCO technique work? First of all, you should learn the basic grammar rules and vocabulary in the foreign language you are targeting. This step will help you build a solid foundation in your beginner's grammar. While learning grammar, take care to work on sentence structures and word groups. Then move on to voice practice, which is an essential part of the COCO technique. At this point, you need to practice speaking to yourself. You can listen to yourself by looking in the mirror or using a recording device. As you speak, try to use newly learned words and grammar. It's also important to get feedback to correct your mistakes and improve. The next step is to improve your speaking practice and create opportunities to use it in real life. You can take advantage of sources such as videos, radio programs, movies, or music spoken in a foreign language. By listening or watching these materials, you can improve your comprehension skills, learn new words and expressions, and capture the natural fluency of the language. Another important component of the COCO technique is the repetition method based on memorizing words. Regularly repeating the new words and phrases you learn will strengthen your memory and expand your vocabulary. You can form a habit of repetition by using helpful tools such as flashcards or digital apps. Finally, be patient and keep practicing. The language learning process takes time and not everyone progresses at the same pace. Take your time and don't be afraid of your mistakes. By practicing and constantly trying to improve your language, you will see how the COCO technique can help you. In this video, we focused on the COCO technique, which is the fastest way to learn a foreign language. By using this strategy, you can speed up your language learning process and communicate more fluently. Remember, regular and disciplined work brings success. By subscribing to my channel, you can be aware of more content on language learning and self-improvement. I will always continue to share new information and practical tips. I wish you good language learning.